Using the platform, users can also access Copernicus data. This screen displays the values of different vegetative indices depending on the crop type. The goal is to make Copernicus interaction simple and user-friendly, as the linear system can be very complex. This module automatically downloads and processes satellite images to calculate vegetative indices. Doing this manually could take hours, but Cerberus provides instant results with a single click. Users can select an index like NDVI and view detailed information. And for a deeper analysis, there is a direct link to the technical documentation. Users can query index values across a date range. And see the images captured by Copernicus along with their statistical values. Finally, all indices can be calculated for a specific date. Providing an instant overview of crop conditions.